Update sa kalagayan ni Miss Chris Aquino ngayon, sobrang nakakalungkot at nakakadurog ng puso. Dahil sabi nga niya, lumalaban lang daw siya para sa kanyang mga anak. Kung hindi dahil sa kanyang mga anak, ay matagal na siyang sumuko. Dahil nga sa kanyang karamdaman, hindi biro ang kanyang pinagdaraanan. Ang nagpapasaya lamang sa kanya ngayon ay ang kanyang mga anak, lalong-lalo na itong si Josh na talaga namang bantayan din. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Si Chris Aquino mismo ang nag-share ng mga litratong ito sa kanyang social media account at sabi nga niya, kahapon pa nga dapat ito na i-post, subalit siya ay nakatulog nang hindi sinasadya. Sabi nga niya, this was ready to be posted yesterday but while writing my caption, I kept falling asleep. I asked my team of doctors to please get my surgical procedures done before August 21. We started on August 20, 8:15 p.m. That was the time check I heard before Daddy Doc, my anesthesiologist, and my cousin-in-law, Dr. Nick, he's an interventional cardiologist, started their work. I remember being transferred to another cardiac OR for my port A cath, and I was back in my room before 12 midnight. While I am writing this, happy tears are flowing because I am remembering how much our mom endured for us. She also had a port A cath surgically implanted. Yet, we never heard her complain. And she didn't have a pain management doctor. I have an entire team of doctors, and my vascular surgeon, Dr. Lukban, did a great job. And Dr. Cash, his senior resident fellow, while waking up from my anesthesia, I said, "Where's the cutie pie doctor? And can I now please have my dame?" Coincidentally, my brother Noy and I had the same favorite chocolate. You saw a lot of pics of Kuya Josh and Beam. He's the last pic wearing the protective outfit for people to get into the post-op recovery area. My sons are the reason I continue to endure. If I wasn't their mama, matagal na po akong sumuko. It's very difficult to be as brave as my dad and mom because I know this is just the beginning of more aggressive treatment to keep me alive and get me to a point of remission. My doctors have the 6 months while I'm in isolation to figure out the best treatment plan for someone with as many allergies to medicine, food, and environment. For me, it's rehabilitation, physical therapy, reassuring my love for cooking. I'm not allowed to be near the flame for more than a few minutes because it triggered my lupus, polymyositis, rheumatoid arthritis, and progressive systemic sclerosis flares with an assistant and progressive another tutorial-based activity because one is never too old to continue stimulating the brain. I have a new hashtag to remind myself how much I owe all of you who continue praying for me. Thank you for your patience, support, and much appreciated love. Laban Chris, hashtag. Sobrang pagmamahal ni Bimbi at Josh sa kanilang mama, ito ang ginawa nila. Talagang sinurpresa nila ang kanilang mama Chris ng magagandang balloon with nakasulat na I love mama, keep fighting mama, at napakarami pang magagandang mensahe patungkol kay Chris Aquino mula sa kanyang mga anak. Gumala nga rin dito si Mr. Boy Abunda, ang kanyang best friend at kasamahan sa trabaho noong malakas pa si Chris Aquino. Hindi mga nakakalimot kay Chris at ang mga taong ito, mga malalapit talaga sa kanya. Isa nga sa mga kaibigan ni Miss Chris Aquino ay si Gary Valenciano na nagbigay din ng magandang mensahe para sa kanya. Hello Chris, not sure if you'll get to read this but you are in my prayers, my friend. I've never been able to tell you this but you once gave me an interview back in 2000 and 2001. It was there that you said certain things that boosted my level of hope and energy. I'm affected by what I've had to see you go through, but I'm truly blessed how strong and brave a person you really are. I'm moved at how your son have stood by you and how much you've loved them in return. You've done an excellent job raising them up. In my darkest of moments, when I found myself facing the toughest of health challenges, I remind myself that I'm always in the hands of Jesus, the safest place anyone can find him herself in. I pray that these are the same hands that continue to cradle you close to the heart of the Almighty. God bless you, Chris. When the waters and strong winds make it tough to sail and you need more prayer support, just DM me the word now. I'll drop what I'm doing to say a prayer for you. God bless you, my friend. We love you, Chris. Tunay nga na marami nga nagmamahal kay Miss Chris Aquino at marami rin ang na-touch sa ipinadalang mensahe ni Gary Valenciano para kay Chris mula kay Mikay Mitch. Gary, this gives hope and faith not just for Miss Chris but more so with the people reading your comment. God bless you with full recovery and healing, Miss Chris Aquino, and continue to inspire, lead people to Him, Sir Gary. At mula naman kay Francis Rafael, God is with you. Sir Gary, I got teary-eyed. Mula kay Bisdak na Gamay, thank you Sir Gary for also praying for Miss Chris. God bless you. Mula kay Sonba 14, Gary Valenciano, such wonderful and heartfelt prayer. Message to Chris Aquino. It made me teary-eyed. So much love and power is overflowing. Muli namang sinariwa ni Miss Chris Aquino mga moment na kasama niya ang kanyang mga magulang noon siya ay baby pa. Ito ang litrato nila ng kanyang daddy noong siya ay sanggol pa.